technical expert on everything which is thermoforming, injection molding, extrusion blow molding, and I'm also the main responsible for the strategy in Europe regarding circular economy and sustainability. So MILLIKEN is a company that is actually specialized in plastic additives with a big focus on polyolefins in this case. So for us it's of course very important since we're in plastic additives, but we see this more as an opportunity because MILLIKEN has always been a company that's more in the background, but we try to actually go throughout the entire value chain and trying to see where we can facilitate. So this can be going to a big brand owner, explaining them what a resin producer is doing and the other way around, what is actually needed. And we're trying to see where we can play a role in this. But for us, this is actually a big opportunity because there is a lot of backlash on plastics, a lot of negative press, but we see this that there are a lot of good things on plastics as well. And we have some really nice technologies. As the one, we're partnering up with Pure Cycle Technologies, where we believe that this is something we can really make a difference in there. So we see this as a good opportunity and a good timing to actually go ahead and grow as a plastics industry. Europe is a very complex story because you have 28 to 27 member states. Each of them have a different recycling scheme, collection, sorting. It's all different, so it's a very much separate thing. In my opinion, the countries that are ahead are the Netherlands and Germany for sure. And a lot of people are looking into their direction where they can do. But we have some problem cases in Europe as well, Malta being one, which still burns almost 60 or 70% of their plastics at this moment. So it's a very complex story, and we noticed that a lot of customers come to us as well to get a bit of an overview, like what is actually going on, because nobody is still producing in France and only selling in France. They also export to Belgium, to Luxembourg, to Spain, and so on. So for us, it's very important to get that complete image. And this becomes more and more a full-time job, I have to say, that we need to help our customers explain how Citeo works in France, how Fosplus works in Belgium, the Groene Punkt in Germany, and actually see these differences and also play in that advantage. There are certain cases where we see, for instance, that as a French company, it would be ideal to export into Germany because the tax system is slightly different and you have actually an advantage by doing this. So it's a very complex world, I have to say. I think it's a very good experience to talk to people, share expertises, because more than ever, this is an opportunity to talk to each other and help each other. Nobody can do this alone. If you keep everything to yourself, you won't grow in the end because plastics will go away. So it's more a collaborative effort. So I'm a big fan of talking to a lot of different people, different countries, different backgrounds, because we have more of a material background, but it's very good to talk to a brand owner or to a retailer or actually see where this is going at. And the important part, and this is the discussion that I think this event is fantastic, is the food contact. We need to make that step change into food contact, because if we don't bring in everything which is recycled material in food contact, we won't win this battle and we will lose. And you can already see that there are examples where this is going away. So I think it's very critical and a really nice thing of this opportunity to actually talk to the food brands as well in this sense.